This isn't a blackbird, is it?
No. My name's Millie. I am in grade 9, and I play Greta in the play Searching for Greta. And she lives in a coal mining town where everyone in the town contribute greatly to the effects of pollution and climate change, and they're really oblivious to it until a dramatic event happens and she has to come to terms with the fact that if she doesn't do something, her town will be doomed. So she decides to go on a quest to Stockholm to find Greta Thunberg in hopes that she will help her save her hometown. Along the way, she meets some interesting friends who are going through even worse tragedies than she is. And it's very Wizard of Oz-esque, but really fun and lighthearted. The play was written by Mr. Zero and Mr. Garbe and Julia Garbe, who's an alumni here. And I think it was really fun to do something that had never been seen before or done before. So it gave me lots of leeway and creative leeway to do what I wanted to do and take risks, which was really enjoyable and something I've never done before.
Hi, my name is Mr. Zero, and I'm a music teacher here at the Country Day School, and I helped co-write the play Searching for Greta. So the music is a pretty big part of the show this year. It's been a couple years since we've had a musical, especially for grades 7, 8, and 9. So we really wanted to write something musically that would be fun for the kids to sing and take part in, and also showcase a couple different genres and styles of music that are typically found in a musical. I think the students have really enjoyed and we're really surprised to be performing and taking on a play that was written by their teachers. It was really great to see as well how excited they were to just be part of a production for the first time in a long time. A lot of the students, what they were saying on auditions was that it was just great to be auditioning and to be part of a production and to be doing something. So yeah, the play's been really well received by the students. They've really enjoyed the script and the music, and we're really excited to put it on.
I think it's really important to do this play and to listen to this play, because I think that climate change is something that we're all going to have to deal with one day, and it's really important to let everyone know that this is an issue that is evident and is in the world, but also making it approachable, which I think this play does really well, making it approachable to younger kids or families. After a really long break, we're so excited to be able to premiere it to all of you, and we've put a lot of work into it. We'd love to have you in our virtual audience on November 20th.